Welcome back, guys. Another day, another piece. Let's go. Heading towards college. What is this here? What is this? I mean, what is this? No one is in the class. I'm the only one. Am I so punctual? Hey, bully. चालू मला पॉइंट भेटतोय.